Hello viewers. Welcome to Windows Optimization 101. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know about optimizing your Windows system. You may be wondering, what is system optimization? It involves configuring your Windows setup to improve efficiency and performance for your specific tasks. Our goal is to enhance your user experience and improve the overall performance, efficiency, and productivity of your Windows operating system while gaming. So, the essence of optimization is knowing why we do them. The reason is to tackle common issues that can be tedious to deal with, which may otherwise require costly repairs or entire setup upgrades, and these potentially allow new life to be brought into poorly running systems for no added cost. While also preventing reliance on unreliable or questionable processes to resolve these issues, optimization allows us to independently configure specific settings to fix only the specific issues that occur. We don't optimize just for the sake of it. We only make changes when there are noticeable performance issues with the OS during specific tasks, or when certain key elements of the system are lacking in performance and definitely have a potential for improvement. You may have heard this saying, if it's not broke, don't fix it. That principle is essential when learning to optimize or tweak your system. Now, let's talk about the types of tweaks you can apply. Common optimizations include 1. User habits. This includes discontinuing certain user habits that are detrimental to gaming performance and efficiency, and eliminating common practices that are followed which create issues in understanding and remediating system issues. User habits can include running too many background apps whilst gaming, running on poor performance settings, or generally following misconceptions regarding practices to follow for quality gaming, which can send system performance plummeting down instead of improving it. Network connection. This is the application of necessary settings that improve network performance and connectivity to game servers to decrease the transfer time of data packets to game servers to improve response times for in-game inputs, tuning our networking components to minimize data loss whilst sending data, and improving performance of uploading and downloading data for other essential tasks other than gaming. Quality of life settings. Safely applying uncommon Windows settings that promote efficient workflow and improve quality of usage of the OS and completing tasks generally, even outside gaming. This includes installing dedicated software that allow hugely advanced but safe customization of the system beyond what is usually accessible to the user in the settings application or even control panel, adding or removing Windows features that either complement or degrade gaming performance and experience, and adjusting privacy and security controls to favor gaming, and much more. Component tuning. This encircles tuning the components such as CPU, GPU, RAM, display adapter, and more components for improved performance. This may require editing configurations from within control panels for graphics drivers, power and processing power tuning utilities, or BIOS tuning, which is much more advanced of a concept than everything else, and can lead to the most risk unless you follow the guides carefully and with caution. There are many more categories of tuning that are beyond these, and it will be more important that you understand what is being applied and how to do so. To apply these tweaks, you may need administrative access to your system and a basic understanding of Windows settings. Some changes can be made through the control panel, registry editor, on the command line interface, or the terminal, while others may require third-party software or tools. Throughout this series, we'll guide you step by step on how to implement these optimizations effectively. Also, we will dispel myths and common misconceptions regarding performance tuning, how to test for performance, and how to evaluate system performance during gaming and general tasks too. Remember to assess the risks. We are not liable for the consequences if you are irresponsible and do not pay attention to the guides. Anything you do must require a system restore point performed beforehand, along with a performed file backup to an external storage device already or the cloud. Also, registry editing is very commonly present in many of the procedures, and if it goes wrong, it can ruin the entire system status. Therefore, it is essential you create a full registry backup too. Evaluate the risks and implications of performing tuning procedures surrounding your own system. Your system may start to show other symptoms such as an increase in power usage, increased component temperature, or losing wanted features from within the OS. Differences in performance gain or noticeable improvement in statistics post-configuration varies between each system, and applicable configurations are different between each system and environment, some being available to a particular system and not for others. The recommendations for tuning are based on experience, and necessary anomalies or results of unexpected error where performance worsens or becomes peculiarly different are not within our control or responsibility. Make sure you understand the effects of the optimizations and research whether they are applicable and suitable for your individual system. Troubleshooting may be covered for particular issues and errors, but the manufacturer manual is highly preferred for reference instead. If you have any other questions, do not hesitate to contact us in our Discord server or comment below the video. Regarding feedback and suggestions, we will accept feedback and suggestions which are beneficial towards the compilation of this series on the channel. And if we miss anything, we will be sure to update with the requested content. Thank you for watching and good luck with this series.